So here we have my timeline in Resolve where I put all the clips, and the clips are a full frame shot from the FX6 and Ultra HD and full frame, and then there's the same shot but Ultra HD full frame, but I put clear image zoom at 1.3. And then we have I put the FS7 just for a comparison with an older sensor. Now I have here the same shot, but I've zoomed into the center where you can see. I'll just put that at 100%, and now you can see the center here, and this is the full frame FX6, so this is the kind of best resolution that you can get. Now if we move down on the timeline here and we go to the FX6, which is including the 1.3 clear image zoom, you can definitely see the moire here. And if we just go down here to the vertical resolution and compare the two, this is the clear image zoom, and you can definitely see the difference here in the resolution. And we can also go and see the horizontal resolution up here. This is the full frame. Now it's cleared up. You can see the full frame resolution goes all the way down to almost 14 here, whereas the clear image zoom muddles around about 10. It's still quite good though. Now let's compare this to the FS7 sensor zoomed in. So this here is the FS7 sensor. So you can see the horizontal resolution goes around about the 12 mark, or maybe 13, somewhere here. And compare that to the clear image zoom on the FX6, you can definitely see that the FS7 has far more resolution, this and this. But the FX6 with the clear image zoom is surprisingly good and surprisingly close. And let's check the vertical resolution difference, which is here. This is the clear image zoom 1.3 times on the FX6, and this here is the FS7. It's not a huge difference. There is a difference, definitely there is a difference, especially here. You can see the clear image zoom starting to break apart here. Yeah, the FS7 is quite good. But if we compare the FS7 to the FX6 sensor, then you can definitely see there's a massive difference. This and this. There is a massive resolution difference in the two sensors. And let's see, on the horizontal side of things, this is the FX6 and this is the FS7. And if we go to the center here, just go to 100%. So this is the FX6 and this is the FS7. You see how much it's breaking up. The FS7 is surprisingly noisy. I'd say this looks like moire to me. It's starting to get there. And this is the FX6, nice and clean. Both are Ultra HD, and this is the clear image zoom. Yes, this is definitely a bit softer, but I wouldn't say that this is unusable. So clear image zoom would be enough for most Super 35 lenses, and this was a surprisingly good result. If we go to the side here on these bars, where you can definitely see the moire happening, and so this is the clear image zoom upscale on the FX6 sensor, and this here is the FX7 sensor. Definitely a big difference here. Although the lines don't seem to have very much more resolution as such, the edges where the interpolation is happening, there's quite a big difference there. And now to compare these lines between the FS7 here and the full frame FX6, there's again a massive difference in resolution and in quality of the two sensors.